So this is how to buy Ethereum in Canada using Robinhood. So once the Robinhood app is open, go to the very bottom. Right in the middle, there's the magnifying glass. Select it. Once you're on the Explore page right here, where it says Trending Lists, you can either just scroll to where it says Market Cap and find Ethereum that way, or you can go to the top where it says Search by Name or Symbol, type in ETH or Ethereum, select it, ticker symbol ETH, and then you're on the Ethereum page like this. So once Ethereum is brought up, go to the bottom here to where it says buy, and then press that. Now on this page, you can go to the top right and select your order type. So you can do market orders in Canadian dollars or market orders in Ethereum. I would just keep it to market orders in Canadian dollars. Now once that is done, you can then type in how much Ethereum you want to purchase. So if you wanted to buy $3 worth for an example, you would just press on 3, and then in the middle press review. Then on this page, you can review your order so you can see how much Ethereum you're purchasing, how much the fees are going to cost, as well as the total cost. And if this looks good, you can go to the bottom and where it says swipe up to submit, you can grab it, swipe up to complete the order that way. So that is how you guys can buy Ethereum here in Canada using Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.